In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto send welcome emails using Make. We're going to build a simple automation that takes a new form submission and instantly or on a schedule sends that person a personalized welcome email. Before you begin in Make, start by creating your form in Typeform. Make sure your form includes the basic fields you'll need, like name and email. Once that's ready, publish the form and submit one test response. That sample response is important because it gives Make real data to work with during setup. Next, log into Make and create a new scenario. Give it a clear name, like automatic welcome email, so it's easy to recognize later if you create more automations. Now add your trigger. Click the plus button, search for your form app, such as Typeform, and choose the module that watches for new responses. Then connect your Typeform account and select the correct form. This module is what tells Make when someone has filled out your form. After that, test the trigger by clicking Run Once. Go back to your Typeform and submit another test response. If everything is connected properly, Make should capture the submitted information, including the person's name and email address. This confirms your trigger is working and that the data you need is available. Once the trigger is confirmed, add the next step by clicking the plus sign after the Typeform module. Search for Gmail and choose the Send an Email action. Then create your Gmail connection by clicking Add, signing into your Google account, and authorizing Make to access Gmail. Now configure the email itself. In the To field, map the email value coming from the Typeform response. This ensures the message is sent automatically to the person who submitted the form rather than to a fixed address. Then write your welcome email. Add a subject line such as Welcome, thanks for signing up. In the body of the email, personalize the message using the name field from the form response. A simple greeting and thank you message works well here, and personalization helps the email feel more direct and professional. You can also map other form answers into the message if you want. For example, you might reference a service they're interested in or a resource they requested. That extra detail can make the email feel even more relevant. To finish, run another full test. Click Run Once, submit a new test response, and check the inbox for that test email. In Make, confirm that both modules show a successful execution. If the email doesn't arrive, review the recipient mapping and your Gmail connection. Finally, set the schedule if your trigger uses polling or activate the scenario if everything is working. In some cases, Make can also use instant webhook-based triggers, which means the email can go out right away. Once the scenario is on, your welcome email system is fully automated.